long time since I put a video out, man. But I've been, under the weather lately. But I'm doing all right now. I'm back trying to make new content again for you guys. Well, I want to make this video update y'all on what I got coming out soon. I just bought a new drone, so I'll talk about that in this video. And I got a couple trail rides I'm gonna film in the near future, and just want to tell everything about that. And keep y'all updated on what's going on with Trey Simmons. I've been working like crazy lately, like 6 days a week, 7 sometimes, but mostly 12 hours. But I'm still gonna try to put this content out. I've been slacking lately, but like I said, I was under the weather. But I'm trying to come back with new content, more content in the next couple of weeks. So off-road video is coming out Sunday. I think I'm gonna do the goat trail, but I'll update y'all and tell y'all when the video coming out. But yeah, so this is update, and I want to thank y'all for supporting me, man. I just crossed 145 subscribers like the past week, so I'm on my way to 200. So the channel really growing, so I'd like to thank y'all, man, for supporting me. Oh, before I forget, when I hit 200 subscribers, I'm gonna do a 200 subscriber giveaway. I don't know exactly what I'm giving away. Maybe some t-shirts and a couple stuff or whatever. Trey Simmons t-shirts. But yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway on my 200 subscribers, so that's kind of a big deal for me. So look out for that in the near future. Hit y'all with a couple drone shots on the way out, and I'm about to get to this game and put on some Warzone. So make some more content for the channel. Anyway, I'm gonna get to this game, and I see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.